Hi, I'm Nero, and I'm here to present x402 test. It's a testing infrastructure for testing x402 payment flows locally. A single payment bug can drain complete wallets, and this kind of bugs usually result from lack of testing. The developers keep testing because it's usually so slow and so painful. One of the ways to solve this is by making testing effortless and very fast. Here you can see that on left side, a test case is written manually, and on the right side, the same test case is written using x402 test library. And you can see the difference between how much code you have to write to achieve a single test case. On left side, the code is so much that I'm not able to fit that into the slide even when I zoom out. Now the x402 test consists of two components. One is a mock server, and other is a test library. So when you're developing a client-side application that integrates with X402 protocol, you use a mock server to simulate the behavior of actual X402 API and to test your client-side application. And when you're developing a X402 server, you can use a testing library on client side to write test and quickly test your X402 server. Here is a small demo. We are available on npm, so you can get started by installing the npm package. And next, you need to write test using our testing library, and you can launch the mock server by simply two commands. The first command is the init command. What it does is that it initiates the configuration file for the mock server. It defines all the different endpoints that we want to have, along with the fees that we want to have with them. After the test follows is created and configuration file is generated, you can make changes to the configuration file. And the next thing you need to do is run the start command. So with npx start command, it will launch the mock server using the configuration that you just set. And once the test server starts, now you can start testing either your client-side application or your X402 server. So here we are running some tests that I've already written, and you can see that the test is successful now. It will also output an Explorer link so that you can go to the transaction and verify that that has actually been verified on J. To showcase its use case with AI agents or bot, we have another example that I'm running here, and you will see that how you can integrate an existing AI bot or a simple bot with our library and test it with the mock server. And here is the code for that test. Now the market opportunity is really huge. These are some numbers from the October 2025. The X402 ecosystem has been growing with a rate of 10,000%. Uh, and testing is a number two documented developer challenge based on a recent study that was published in ECM Conference 2024. This is a team. We have 10 plus years of experience of shipping web to projects, and try X402 test today. And thank you for listening to me.